Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this today's video I'll be sharing with you guys this look which is from the High Makeup and brands. So without further ado, let's get started with this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first of all I'm taking the Farsali One Skin Tune Blur. I'm just applying it all over my face. So this is kind of a serum or primer. It blurs out your skin and give your makeup a finished look. If you want, you can use any kind of primer, but I'm using this one, and I'm just waiting for 2 or 3 minutes so it will get inside my skin. After that, I'm using two foundation. One is MAC and one is L'Oreal Infallible. So I'm just mixing it both of the foundation and applying it all over my face and just dabbing it into my face. So if you want a finished look, you always have to dab it. You don't have to just remove it, you have to dab it. If you want, you can use a brush as well, but I'm using a beauty blender. For the eyes, I'm using the Topaz palette which is from Huda Beauty, and I'm taking the lightest shade and just applying it all over my lids. If you want, you can prime your eyes as well, but I don't think I have to prime it, but if you want, you can prime it. It's up to you. So in makeup, blending is the game. Be it in foundation or eyeshadow makeup, blending is the game. So I'm just blending it all over my lids. After that, I'm using the lightest brownish or orangish shade from the palette and applying it at the corner of my eyelids and just mixing it or blending it very well with the previous eyeshadow that I have applied, so it will get very blend easily, so it will get very natural look. If you want, you can take any kind of brownish or brown color, but I am using this color because I want very warm look. Now I'm just blending it all over the lids. After that, I'm using the Tarte concealer which is very light from the shade of my shade, and I'm using a brush to apply it all over my eyelids, like in the center of my eyelids, because here I want to apply glitter so it will pop up very easily. After that, I'm using a rose gold kind of eyeshadow which has very glittery shade into it, and just applying it with the help of my hands. If you want, you can use brush, but personally I believe that glitter eyeshadows should be preferred to use by hands, so it is very light and it will give you a very clean look. But it's up to you. If you want to use a brush and you are comfortable with the brush, you can use that as well. So I'm just applying it all over my center of the lid. So after that, again I'm taking that same eyeshadow which I have used, and I'm just allowing it again to just blend it, because जितना ज़्यादा अच्छा blend होगा उतनी ही eyeshadow ज़्यादा अच्छी लगेंगी. I'm just blending it very well. After that, I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me concealer and applying it all over the areas where I need my skin to be concealed. These are the areas where I have a little bit pimples or pigmentations. After that, I'm taking Tarte one and just applying in the center of the area, because it will gives your eye a bright look. Okay, now I'm using MAC loose powder and applying it where the areas I want to bake or to give my face a very sharp look. And it is one hack. If you don't have loose powder, you can use all kind of talcum powder as well. It also gives very sharp look. Okay, so now I'm using L'Oreal eyeshadow palette, and I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just using, there is a 2 palette in this. I'm using the balm to set my eyebrows, and after that I will use a brown kind of shade to just fill in the brows I have. Oh, maybe someone will find it very difficult, but this is the way that I do. After that, I'm just brushing off all of the powder that I had on my face. For blush, I'm using this Eye Juice lip shade because I think that's very nice to give a look, very purplish or pinkish look. So I'm using this kind of shade. If you want, you can try your hands on sugar as well, but I want to try this lip shade as a blush. I'm applying the eyeliner. So this is from L18 because I don't have any eyeliner other than sugar, and I can't find my sugar eyeliner because I don't apply eyeliner in a daily life or in journal, because I don't know why I stopped using it, but this is what I'm doing right now. So after that, I'm using the Maybelline mascara. If you are very willingly to invest in some kind of mascara, so you can also try the Kiko one. It also like gives your lashes a very good and very kind of a falsy lashes look. After that, I'm taking a light oranges or dark oranges or brownish shade and applying it at the lower kind of lashes or lower kind of water line in my eyes, and just blending it very well. You can see the result, like both kind of look. Shade and just mixing it very well, and after that I have taken a kind of a glittery shade to apply on the corner of my eyes. I'm taking the MAC setting spray and just applying it all over my face to get my makeup set. I know I have done a lot. After that, I am using a Victoria's Secret lipstick in the shade Bold. Didn't find my Maybelline highlighter, so I have used, I don't know which brand it was. So I'm just using this highlighter which is very far dark from my face. I couldn't find my highlighter box, so I have to use this one. I'm just applying it all over areas where I want to highlight my face. Beauty blender and just mixing it very well. And yeah, this is my final look. So you can use it as at any evening party or wedding. And I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you know the drill. What you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe, and it will mean a lot to me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.